Welcome all. Now we are going to discuss the design and analysis of algorithm. MSc Computer Science paper for Madras University, April 2015 question paper. First 2 mark. How repeated elements are identified in an array. You are given an array of n plus 2 elements. All elements of the array are in range 1 to n, and all the elements occur once except two numbers which occur twice. The two repeating numbers are, this is a example array. So the array can contain the 7 elements 4, 2, 4 and 5, 2, 3 and 1. So total number of element is 5, but 4 and 2 will be occurred 2 times. So the total element of array is n plus 2 equal to 7 elements, and the 4 and 2 will be occurred twice. So the output of repeated elements is 4 and 2. Second question, what is primarily test? A natural number n is said to be prime number if it can be divided by only by 1 and itself. The primality testing is done to check if a number is a prime or not. Why a randomized algorithm is required? The randomized algorithm are used when presented with a time of memory constraint and an average case solution is an acceptable output. Due to the potential erroneous output of the algorithm, an algorithm known as amplification is used in order to boost the probability of correctness by sacrificing runtime. State the merits of quicksort. There are certain reasons due to which quicksort is better, especially in case of arrays. Auxiliary space. Merge sort uses extra space. Quicksort requires a little space and exhibit good cache locality. Quicksort is an in-place sorting algorithm. It can be sorted out quickly. How time complexity is computed for a given problem. The most common metric for calculating time complexity is big O notation. This removes all constants factors so that the running time can be estimated in relation to n as n approach infinity. Sixth one, what is minimal search? Searching algorithms are designed to check for an element or retrieve an element. Algorithms are specifically designed for searching in sorted data structures, maximum and minimum of an array using minimum number of comparison. Next question, list the methods for searching a graph. In computer science, graph traversal, also known as a graph search, refer to the process of visiting each vertex in a graph. Such traversals are classified by the order in which the vertices are visited. What is subset sum problem? Subset sum problem is to find subset of elements that are selected from a given set whose sums add up to a given number k. We are considering the set contain non-negative values. Ninth question, define graph coloring problem. State the constraints. Graph coloring problem is to assign colors to certain elements of a graph subject to certain constraints. The problem is given m colors to find a way of coloring the vertices of graph such that no two adjacent vertices are colored using the same color. That is, there is no adjacent vertices can be same. Give example for linear time algorithms. Linear time sorting. The sorting algorithm that runs faster than big O of n of g of n, but they require special assumptions about the input sequence to be sorted. Example of sorting algorithm that run in linear time are counting sort, radix sort and bucket sort. How NP-odd problem are solved? A problem is NP-odd if all NP problems are reducible to an instance of that problem in polynomial time. Some NP-odd problem cannot be solved in non-deterministic polynomial time and are not in NP, then these problems will not be polynomial time solvable regardless of whether or not P equal to NP. What are biconnected components? In graph theory, a biconnected component is a maximal biconnected subgraph. Any connected graph decomposes into a tree of biconnected components called the blocked tree of the graph.